went to the University of Memphis because it's Engineering Day. And so we saw robots and we saw airdrops. And it's something very fun and active that we can do, and I hope to pursue this in the future.
And I'm here with my favorite teacher, Miss Henry, because she teaches career exploration.
You know, I think engineering can help many people and affect their lives for the better. So I just, want to practice engineering now, so when I grow up I can become an architect or engineer to help others.
We are trying to print and capture body signals. Like for example, this is a demonstration of ECG, and when I place my hand on these electrodes, you can see the signals is captured on the board. That is how we can make the health information available to the user as well as can transmit to the doctor.
With the counter, it pushes it down, and then with the code, this robot controls this robot, so when it loads up the blocks, it'll spin and then start picking them up and dropping them off for the conveyor belt.
Well, we have a solar panel and it's connected to a motor, which is then connected to a pulley that we use with the rubber band. So like then it pulls the pulley on the car and then magic. Magic.
I'm a senior engineering tech major, and I created a simple program where both robots just grab a ball synchronously and they'll hand it off to each other to do individual movements.
The robot on the right only has 10 points, and this robot only has 4, and it just reuses those same points for the pickup and drop-off locations.
Everything's going towards technology, so to get these kids interested in it, events like this is going to just spark that. So the more they can do, the more they're going to enjoy it, and hopefully we'll get them geared towards engineering and STEM.